Welcome, Jason. Thanks so much for coming. Do you want to tell us a bit about what's happening at OFX?
Yeah, thank you, Pamela. Thanks for hosting. This has been really great. We met some great people. So we're really working with other financial institutions, specifically banks, offering our foreign exchange rails and services to them. So we're, high tech, high touch, offering not only the digital experience for their clients, but also a high touch call center, tier one, tier two support, all the support for them, which they really like because they want to, know that if a client's sending $500,000, $2 million, they want to talk to someone, they might want to not just swipe that on their phone and be done with it, as you can imagine.
Yeah.
And our agents will help them with the foreign exchange, any questions and stuff like that, because that's our specialty. So that offloads all that responsibility from the bank to us, and we can even have the AML and a lot of the regulation and compliance offloaded to us as well. So it's a huge benefit for them, and we're seeing a lot of good pickup from banks around the world looking to improve their operations with other groups like us.
Fantastic and so cool. It was originally an Aussie startup.
Yeah, Australians doing well. Yeah. And so we've got big news coming out. We've Macquarie Bank is one of obviously our big clients, ING as well, and some other groups out of Australia using us and picking us up, and also in the US, more coming on board. So it's really exciting.
Fantastic. And anything that helps with global payments. All my kids are in Australia and it's really hard to get money across to each other, so it's helpful.
Yeah, obviously we make it a lot easier and cost effective.
And so what's the future for OFX? Are there new things coming?
Yeah, so our API suite is growing every day. So we're adding new features and services to that. And I think that's really the direction of where we're going in helping service those individuals and small to medium to even larger size companies with those API feeds for other institutions to use. So I think that's really the future we're looking at.
Fantastic. Well, the banks didn't really do a really great job about the international transfers, so I'm sure that OFX has got its place in the community.
Yeah, we're trying to. We're trying to help them do a better job with their own clients, which I think is kind of where it's going now. There's a lot of competition, but now the banks are responding to like, hey, there's been a lot of outside competition, and we're the group that they can work with and compete against the other, either pure digital plays, the neobanks, all kinds of stuff like that. So it's a nice win-win for everyone, and the clients don't have to switch around a lot. They know the bank they trust, and now they're getting the same services they deserve via our rails.
Such an exciting time at the moment here in Silicon Valley with all the neobanks and the challenger banks and all the new innovation that's coming. The incumbents really do have to get off their asses.
Oh, yeah. That's amazing. I mean, we spoke to Monzo Bank. They're doing 50,000 new clients a week.
Wow.
It's just insane, right? So, yeah. So now I think, and it's good for all because not everyone's going to switch to a neobank. So for the people that aren't doing that, it's good that the banks are improving themselves. And that's where we're trying to help them improve themselves. So their internal clients that may think about switch, may not, whatever, that will help them service and get that service that somewhere else. They could get it somewhere else, but they don't have to anymore.
Well, thanks so much for coming tonight, and I'm sure it's going to be a great panel.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Thanks so much, Pamela. It's always a pleasure.